Hey guys, so today I'm visiting this patisserie store named Rodon, which has been standing since 1972. A lot of celebrities have visited this place because of the profiterole being so good. Even though you can get loads of desserts here, from cakes to sweet treats and little bits and bobs, their main speciality is actually their profiterole, which they've been selling for 30 years. And we're going to go inside to see, the behind the scenes, how it works. Come with me. Pastries that they make daily here, and they're going to fill them up with cream now. So I'm going to try the individual version of their profiterole. I'm going to start with the whipped cream. Okay, that's very nice. But as we dig deeper, you can see the Chooks pastry that we saw earlier on with the cream. And a delicious spoonful of their dessert, which I'm about to take now. So this is really, really creamy. It's not too sweet, which is what I love with desserts. I love it when they're creamy, they're smooth as a texture. They're just sweet enough for you to enjoy. Like, this is absolutely delicious. It's definitely worth coming and trying. 100%, I believe this is the best. This patisserie is a 10-minute walk from Athina train station or Sepolia train station. It's definitely worth the trip. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and have a great day. It's that one, so it doesn't matter.